Hey, hi. Today video we are going to see Pravallika success story. She is from Andhra Pradesh. She studied at Sri Venkateswara University from Tirupati as a MCA background. Okay, 2023 passed out. He took a course here as a full stack developer. Now he get a job as a full stack developer role. We schedule nearly 3 to 4 interviews. After that he cracked the job as a full stack developer. Now she is going to explain the experience. Let's see the video.
Hello guys, I'm Pravallika. I completed my MCA from Sri Venkateswara University with an aggregate of 82%, and then I taken course from Besant Technologies. Here I taken a course as a Python full stack developer, and here the trainers are very good. They teach us very well, and the trainers helped me a lot in my projects. And also the management team also good. They helped me to schedule the interviews, and the Kartiks are also very nice because he supports me and encourages me a lot. Finally I got a job as full stack Python developer. I thankful to Besant Technologies team Marathahalli.